Hi, to restore deleted photos and videos on your CMF phone one, first thing first, we need to open gallery. But on this device, we don't have actual separate gallery app. We don't have default gallery app, so we are gonna use this Google Files app. And here in this recent tab, you should see all of your photos and videos. Also categories such as camera, download, movies, screenshots. And now, to find your deleted items, you'll need to tap on the three lines and choose Recycle Bin. After that, you should see all of your deleted photos and videos. So just note that any file that has been in the bin for 30 days will be permanently deleted. So you got only 30 days to recover your photos and videos. And to do this, you'll need to choose photo or video, and on the bottom of the display select to restore this file. And it should reappear in your main gallery, so in your recent tab. And that's basically it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.